Hello everyone, I'm Squeak Pro Barber, and today I'm going to be showing you how to zero gap our Fresh Fade 2020 trimmers. So the tool you'll be needing today to zero gap is going to be a Phillips screwdriver. That's about it. When you purchase your Fresh Fade 2020 trimmers, it comes with our blade guard already attached to the back of the blade, and our blade guard is actually our zero gapping tool. So if you notice, there's two indents where you can see the screw. This allows you to place your screwdriver right through our blade guard to zero gap our blade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how to zero gap. As you can see right now, my blade is loose and we're going to begin to zero gap. So what you do is you take our zero gapping tool and we're going to place it over the top teeth of the blade. Then we're going to snap it on the bottom. Once it's snapped in place, we're good to go. So in order to zero gap, you can move the blade up or down. In order to move it down, you just press firmly on the top part to where you want it. You can hold it there, and then you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to begin to tighten the screws a little at a time. So you tighten one side, then tighten the other side. Go back and begin to tighten everything down. Once everything's tightened, we'll go ahead and pop our zero gapping tool off, and we're going to check our zero gap. So here you can see it already zero gap. Now what I do to check to see if my zero gap is good, I test my zero gap on the inside of my arm. So what this does is the inside of your forearm is equivalent to the back of somebody's neck. So this is very soft, very sensitive. So the same way you would cut here, you would test it on the inside of your arm. So if you feel it biting on your arm, then you know it's gonna bite on the back of somebody's neck. So that's a cool little trick that I use. I test on the inside of my arm to see if it bites. Right now, everything feels good. Nothing is not one side that's sharper than the other. Everything seems very well balanced. So there you have it. Our Fresh Fade 2020 trimmer, zero gap. Using our blade guard tool, which is also our zero gapping tool.